Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change date and time on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to the menu button. Now scroll a bit down until you see initial setup. Here click OK, and here we have the date and time. As you guys can see, here we can change the year just like that. Now here we can change the month, and last but not least, here we can change the date. So here we can also change the time, so let me put it like that, and that will be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.